as man, our role, you not get married, but if you did get married, what we realize is, as man, our role, it is etched in stone.
Right.
Meaning, this is how you're supposed to function as a man, no exception. Cool?
Naturally.
But you see, the woman role, I realize, by G, her role is willy-nilly, flippy-flappy. Her role can turn into anything at any time. While me and you have to function as traditional man, while them function in a 2023, 2024, and the years to forward.
Right.
That me realize with them fully. You understand? So I realize now, man like me and you, we have to go out there and find the traditional woman them, because if you find a woman we want to live in a 2023 and want we as traditional man, it not gonna work.
Right.
So, how do you feel about these 2023 women demanding a traditional man but not moving traditional herself?
All right, so first and foremost, that is what sensible people would consider an oxymoron. Oxymoron is two things that cannot go together. No, if you want a traditional man, provide, protect, be a bumbuckler, man. You gotta have a look at audio grown. Man, if you act like man, stand up like man.
Yeah.
Ray.
Weak jelly back.
You understand? So what about the woman them if you act like woman? You understand?
Ooh.
What about the part there?
Ooh.
And no, this is a very whatever kind of word topic. Very controversial topic or whatever the case may be. But females, you cannot want good man if you not do things if you keep or where a good man deserve. You understand? You cannot have a cake and eat it too. You cannot still go party every night and want a good man to provide and protect. You cannot still have a mad friend. You cannot be no for them girl have this thing. Me see some girl have something way. A girl say, yo, she have to ask her man if she can go party and her friend going to talk, yeah, mad somebody.
Yeah. Say it's a woman who have friends like them there, bro. You see if she don't really manage her friend group, I don't want her. Because you are easily influenced.
Exactly.
Because are you against your whole friend group.
Right.
And it's going to take a strong woman to say, yo, y'all chill. The fuck wrong with you know? My man say me can't go out, so me not go out.
Right.
A them girl that deserve the world.
Exactly.
Them girl that deserve provision and protection. Because them not understand, mama, you want me to protect you, but I don't have any say-so over nothing you do. Protection and them thing there come with authority. If me not have authority over you, I cannot protect you.
Exactly.
So if you not gonna listen when me say, don't go to this spot, these niggas over there mad thirsty, and you say, fuck what you say, I'm gonna still gonna do it, I'm not providing. You want me to do something, but you not do what you need to do to activate my actions.
Right.
This is all niggas been saying.
Exactly.
But we say these things, Sax. What's the response we get?
Toxic masculinity. Narcissist.
Everyone's a narcissist nowadays.
Yeah, man. If you get just learn the word, they just learn the word.
Bro, all these buzzwords coming out of nowhere, and the more them use it, the more me know say you just learn it.
Real talk. Niggas, I'm gonna show you a thing what me hate about them girl now, right? The girl have a thing where them say, yo, no man can handle them, or them never meet a man yet who can handle them attitude and can whatever and shit like them. So you want a good man, right? No, listen, a man can only lead if you allow him to. I mean, I mean that in a say the man weak or nothing at all.
Yeah.
But if me and you butt heads, if me and you fight every time me supposed to take lead, you are opposed because you want me to assert my dominance over you and put you down like this. Me not a real man not have time for that.
Nah.
A man who worth it. Me not fight with you.
Nah.
If me had talked, if me have to go beat if you listen. Me not want that.
Nah.
You come talk about, yo, to this day, me no meet the man that can angle me. You man no want ya, you look a fucker, you look a cross yourself, big pussy girl. You don't want that. Yo, bro. Yo, man. Me hate girl pit in the dog.
Bro,
My yo.
I see thing about it now. The dog not eat them, him just eat all them stay. But how him a say and I vent him frustration, how all men talk, cause men, we don't hold the mouth ground and talk. We talk raw, unfiltered truth. Uno pretty up things. So when men talk, especially with passion, it comes off as hatred. Then them say, oh, you hate women. You don't have a good relationship with a mom. My mom don't act like you.
You understand?
don't bring my mom in. My mom don't act like you.
Sure.
My mom is a total opposite. And you would think that these women who say, oh, watch how he treats his mom, and that would give you the indication of how he's going to treat you. You treat your mother good. You listen to your mother say, Ray. Them not act like your mother. Mm-hmm. So you want a woman who move like your mother. Mm-hmm. It's still a problem.
Right. And one of the biggest thing with them blood clot girl, see? The girl, them want a good man, but they want a good life. But they want if it's good all the time.
All the time.
There is no fucking such thing as good all the time. Fuck her go forward along. You know how much time Mrs. Charlene, tell my mother, ball your water.
Big up Mama Sacks.
Because there's a long fucking idea, you know. I don't know if I feel boy I'm talking about Charlene can't beat me. He goes, Mrs. Charlene, woman call me daddy phone late at night. Charlene answer. Wake up daddy. That's what the bomb back like man. Get a year as I phone ask him who you can ask me who you need my phone. See? Me ball me done. Me done with him. Me go move up again. 2 days later, the movie that come with daddy food like so with vegetable on the side.
That is
can't
it.
Game.
That is it.
It happen again. Sometimes my daddy beat me away. My mother say me done. Me done, and this a Jamaica days before we ever see foreign Negus.
Yeah.
Fast forward now, my mother, my father know them married. I live at Brooklyn, right? I know them live their best life. Yeah. But them go through it. Me not say you have to sit down and take bone or whatever.
No.
But if you know say you have a good bum buckler, man, and you know the nature of a man, and your man give a bun one at a time or go close or something like that, and you go just cut you off so because what? Which man what they not gonna give a bun? Say better your bum buckler take a look at one bun from a good man, you know, say I go still provide, protect, and respect you. Than a man where just I go give a bun just because. Bun you get bun regardless of the babes. But if you know say you have a good man, you're supposed to know. You see the things that women do for you. You see the limits that women go. You see the sacrifices that women make for you. So you know who this person is deep at heart. And you go just disregard all of that because me go fuck one ex pussy. Me need to breathe nothing and you don't catch nothing. We are complaining for.
Be smart. Be smart.
Yo, I mean.
this is a thing. Look on the levels, bro. And this is another thing too. Them want traditional man, but traditional man cheat.
Bumbleclaw, write that down.
Them traditional man, they cheated. And they were very abusive.
Yes. Because, and a lot of them, oh, my grandma went through hell. You want to know why your grandmother went through hell, mama? Because your grandfather was providing for everybody. Right. The pressure was so crushing, he took it out on all of you guys. You know, one of them same type of man that in a 2023, when you are liberated, you are able to make the same amount of money, even more than your counterparts. But you want to go back into the 50s and the 60s. Those were a very abusive era. Understand that, lady. And this other thing too. Soft girl era. It's not supposed to be an era. It's supposed to be a life. Soft girl life. You're supposed to come like that. Bro, everything with them booby, bro, I realize is conditional. Men, when you find a good woman, brother, and she display all of these qualities from early, come here, some of them, I'm not doing wife things and as a girlfriend. But you, as a boyfriend, you're supposed to do husband things. You're supposed to provide, you're supposed to do everything. If you have a girl and she say she's not gonna do wife things at a girlfriend level, you do not do husband things at a boyfriend level. Don't pay for nothing. What do we get fuck? If we were supposed to play tit for tat with these women, everybody would suffer, man. Understand that. So I'm not telling you to go fuck off with woman because we need woman, bro. As much as we are joke and we are going on a laugh, we need woman. But pick the right fucking woman and stop pick some little waste blood clot girl. I don't want you man tell me nothing, brother. More good girl they wrote down, wicked girl.